sorry, this will be the tutorial for Enjoy, and I will go over the 7 components, actually the 9 components of the dance. We'll start with our toe dig on the right, and it will be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the right again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop, 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 hop. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch, 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 and plant. From here, deep plie and reach, 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 and wind. Reach, 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 and wind. Reach, 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 and wind. 4 of these. Reach, 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 and wind. From here, we'll go to our chorus with the clap and clap, shoulder, shoulder. On the right, clap, shoulder, shoulder for 2. Clap, shoulder, shoulder, 3. Clap, shoulder, shoulder, 4. Left side. 2 more. Last one. From here, heel dig. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wind, 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 wind. Switching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wind, 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 wind. Heel dig. 3, 4. Wind, 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 wind. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wind, 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 and wind. Okay, so from here, we're going to have our right hand on our right shoulder, and we're going to touch the elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick, elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick, elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick, elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick. 4 on the right, switching, and elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick, elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick, elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick, elbow, shoulder, elbow, flick. And I'm calling that a twisty because you're really doing like a twist with that. After we do our twisty with the shoulder extension, from there we're going to go into our cradle rock. And it's 3 cradle rocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. We do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and hop. 1, 2, 3, and hop. 1, 2, 3, and hop. So remember, it's 3 cradles, right, left, right, and hop. Right, left, right, and hop. Right, left, right, and hop. And we do that 4 repetitions. From there is going to be our Kananga arms. Hands are cupped. Make sure you're in your deep plie. And it's ja, li, tu, ne, no, ta, ba, break, break. And ja, li, tu, ne, no, ta, ba, break, break. From here, I Sankofa arms, 2 to the right and 2 to the left. And after our Sankofa arms, we go back to our clap chorus. We do 7 of these. So we're going to do 2 on the right, and turn, and turn, and turn, and then 2 on the left. And we end. All right, so that is the entire sequence of the choreography, and we'll have to do that to music. Enjoy.